So we've developed an understanding of how a bubble sort works, and looking at my list here, which is my bubble sort before it's been sorted, I can see the 7 and the 5 are in the wrong order. I want it to be ascending. So my first bubble, the 5 would swap with the 7. And this will run through, and we'll run this in a moment to have a look at the results that get produced. So what I'm looking for you to do is create this bubble sort written completely, and then run it and test it. When we run it now, run module, and again this can be done in Python, or you can use REPL to produce this information. So I'll just bring this over so you can see what's going on. I've got my bubble sort, so we can see my original data and what happens after the first run, and after the second run and third run. And remember, with a bubble sort, we repeat that data again until there are no changes for the bubble sort to be complete. So that's the bubble sort that I'd like you to program, and send me your evidence that you have programmed a bubble sort.